Hello everyone, welcome to follow Decent channel. Decent team are now in Thailand on the site of asphalt mixing plant. Today, let me introduce the process of asphalt mixing plant for you. Okay, firstly, you can see there are some tunes. These tunes are made by material stone. For the first step, the truck will go here to pick up the stones and then transport to the aggregate conveyor. As you can see, the blue machine is named aggregate conveyor. The stones will be unloaded to the top of aggregate conveyor and then following the belt. It is a horizontal delivery, and then the stone will go to the dryer drum. Here is the dryer drum. Delivered stone will be inside of the dryer drum for drying to make sure every stone is without any humidity. After drying, you can see here is also a conveyor. The dried stone will be delivered to the elevator. The elevator is vertical. It can lifting all the dried stone to the top of the asphalt mixing machine. Asphalt mixing station. Okay, let's take a look of the asphalt mixing station. The dried stone will be delivered to the top of the asphalt mixing station, and there is a mixing drum on the top of the station. And then the asphalt will be mixing with the dried stone together. And after blending, the final material will be unloaded through this outlet. And then the truck will come here to pick up the asphalt. And then transport to. After the whole process finished, there will be lot of dust occurred. So that is why we come here. We are invited to come here for baghouse dust collector installation. As you can see here, our baghouse dust collector will be installed here. During the process of mixing, some dust will be occur, and then the dust will go inside the baghouse filter and emit the fresh air out. During the mixing process, there will be a lot of dust occur. And the customer invited us to help them to do dust collection system in past 2 years. And look, this big baghouse filter. It is equipped with 200 horsepower motor. It has been working on site for almost 2 years and still working well. So if you have any inquiry, please call us directly. Decent Machinery will always be outside. Bye-bye.